Ian,
Hey, what's going on?
I'm your neighbor. Open your door, brother.
I'm not home. I'll be home in like 10 minutes.
Oh shit! All these cars out front? I thought you were home.
Oh, yeah, I have people there with me right now, but I'll be home in like 10 minutes.
Yo, brother, I'm bringing a bottle of whiskey over. We're gonna figure this out, right?
Right.
Where you at?
I'm at the grocery
All right.
store.
Get home, brother.
All right,
We're gonna drink this stuff.
I'll be home soon. I'll be home
We're gonna
soon.
drink it.
Right.
All right.
about 10.
I'll see you in a few minutes, right?
All right, see you.
All right. See you then.